So good morning students. So we are discussing about the differential calculus. In that we are differentiating the function raised to function types of the problem. So here we have that is y is equal to x cos x raised to x. So that is function raised to function. Here also function raised to function, and they are the sum of the function. So this type of situation, what we have to do, we have to take the separate substitution for them and apply log on both the side and find the derivative. So this is one way, or we have a formula for that, which we have a function raised to function ಅದನ್ನು use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So that is, we have that, so u raised to v, derivative of u raised to v with respect to x is equal to u raised to v into bracket v by u du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. If you remember this, also we can find out the derivative of the function. So if we want to use this formula for this problem, we need the product of two functions, derivative of the product of two functions. So derivative of u into v rule you have to remember here, u into v rule. Derivative of u into v is equal to u, keep as it is, differentiate v with respect to x, plus v as it is, differentiate u with respect to x. So these two rules should be there. Remember, if we use this formula for finding the derivative, if we use the normally that is a log, so it is nothing there. We can use the composition of the two functions there, the formula for the composition of two functions. So next we come to that is the so first ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು u, so that we call it as an ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ, s ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ. s is equal to x cos x raised to x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ, t ಅನ್ನೋದು. So that is equal to x sin x raised to 1 by x. ಹೌದೇ, function raised to function ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. So what we needed here, ds by dx, right? So we need the derivative of ds by dx, ds by dx. So that is nothing but derivative of x into cos x raised to x. So namak formula already gottaitre, derivative of function raised to function. So u raised to v is equal to u raised to v into u raised to v into, so that is v by u into, so that is, so that we have to keep u by v into, so d u by v into du by dx plus log u into dv by dx, dv by dx. So like this you have to remember that formula for, if you instead of using that is the log on both the side, log use ಮಾಡಲಾದ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಲಾಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಇದು ಆದರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ರೇಸ್ ಟು ವಿ. ಯು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ into u v x u x by cos x into derivative of, so that is x cos x plus log of x cos x into derivative of v, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x. So ಮುಗೀತು. So we got the direct derivative of that. So that is ds by dx is equal to x raised to x into cos x raised to x into x get cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by cos x. So derivative ಇಲ್ಲಿ product of two functions ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, product rule x ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, derivative of cos x is minus sin x ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ cos x ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, derivative of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 this completes plus log of x cos x cos x into derivative of x is 1 this completes. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, cos inside ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ್ರಿ, we get finally x cos x raised to x. So cos minus plus into minus minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus x by sin by cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos inside cos cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus 1 into plus log x cos x. So this completes the ds by dx. ds by dx ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ, simple. So ನಮಗೆ t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, x sin x raised to x. So now we find out the dt by ds. dt by ds. So ತೆಗಿಲ್ರಿ, with using this formula we have find out. If you use the log on both the side, it will take a very lengthy time for you also, and so it becomes very confusion for it. If we don't know the properties of the logarithm, simplifying it, so it will take the very lengthy time for you. So I'll keep this. Why? Because we need it. So we know that t is equal to x into sin x raised to 1 by x. How is it? Sin x raised to 1 by x. So it is correct. So now we apply that property, derivative of u raised to v property for this also. ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, u raised to v property, u raised to v into v by u du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. So it's enough. If you know this formula, it is not necessary to apply the logarithm properties and differentiation. If you find out du by dx and dv by dx, it's enough. Nothing is there in that. So let dt by dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, u ಅಂದ್ರೆ x sin x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by sin x, u raised to v, u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x sin x raised to v ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x. So next, so v by u, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x divided by u ಅಂದ್ರೆ x sin x plus into du by dx, derivative of x sin x plus log ಏನೈತಿ x sin x into derivative of v ಏನೈತಿ, v the derivative ಏನೈತಿ 1 by x the derivative. So this. So next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು x sin x raised to 1 by x. So 1 by x, so it will become 1 by x square sin x in derivative, keep x as it is, sin x the derivative cos x plus sin x ಹಂಗೆ x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. This completes the derivative of this plus log x into sin x into derivative of 1 by x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ derivative, we know that derivative of 1 by x raised to n, the derivative ಏನೈತಿ minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1, n plus 1. Now we have to simplify that enough. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ x sin x raised to 1 by x. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ x with x square, x by 3 cos by sin cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ cot x divided by x plus sin cancel ಆಯ್ತು 1 by x square minus plus into minus minus, so 1 by x square log x sin x. So this completes the derivative of the given function. We got that dt by dx ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಈ ಸದ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ds by dx ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತ್ರಿ, dt by dx ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ds dy by dx. So it's we got that is dt by dx, and here we have that is the ds by dx. So we have to write together sum of them. So let me eliminate this. ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀನ್ರಿ 1 ಅಂತೀನ್ರಿ and 2 ಅಂತೀನ್ರಿ. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, y is equal to ಏನೈತ್ರಿ s plus t, dy by dx is equal to ds by dx plus dt by dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 and 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು so dy by ds by dx it is equal to x cos x raised to x into, so first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಬರೀ 1 plus log x cos x minus x tan x. So this is ds by d. Next plus dt by dx x sin x raised to 1 by x into cot x by x plus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square log x sin x. So this completes the problem. So it is a very lengthy problem, we have that. So carefully solve it, practice it, it will become very easy for us, you also. So this completes the problem. So for this problem, so one we can differentiate normally or we can use the log on both the sides. Let me name one. So we can differentiate this by the logarithms. So taking log on both the side, taking log on both side. So let's take that log x into y is equal to log e raised to x minus y. So we have already known the properties of the logarithm. Log u raised to p and that is equal to p log u. So using that property, and log u into v ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ u into v is equal to log u plus log v. Whenever we have a product of more than two variable, three variable, better to use the logarithm. Or if you have a function raised to function, we can apply the logarithm. For function raised to function, already we have created a formula for that. So better to apply that formula. So it will become a very easy for you also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log u log x plus log y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x minus y log e. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ already log e to the base e ಏನೋ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, that is 1. So ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ 1 ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. log x plus log y is equal to x minus 1. Let me name it as a 1. 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 1 already name ಮಾಡೇವ್ರಿ 2. differentiate ಹೀಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು differentiate 2 with respect to x. ಸೊ ಆಗಲೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ರೀ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಾವು ಏನಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ derivative of log x plus some rule direct apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ derivative of log y. So y dependent variable derivative of x minus y. So log x is the derivative ಏನ್ರಿ 1 by x plus log y is 1 by y into ಏನ್ರಿ dy by dx is equal to derivative of x 1 minus y dy by dx. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು dy by dx ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬರಿ, x ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ we have that. So 1 by y dy by dx plus dy by dx is equal to 1 by, so that is 1 minus 1 by x. Simplified. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ 1 by y plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 1 minus 1 by x LCM ತೋರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so that we can write that is dy by dx into y LCM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus y divided by y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x. So reciprocal ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ್ರಿ, we get that is dy by dx is equal to y into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus 1. So this is the dy by dx. So suppose sometimes they may ask this, so problem without so applying log you can differentiate, but so we cannot get this, ಇದು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿದು ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಸೈಡ್. So next we see that is the another problem. So f of x is equal to 1 plus x 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised to 4 1 plus x raised to 8 x raised to 8. So find f dash of x. So f dash of x is nothing but the df by dx. f dash of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ df by dx. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ let instead of naming f of x will take that is y is equal to y ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 1 plus x 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8. So that y is nothing but f of x, f dash of x is nothing but dy by dx, dy by dx. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. So it will become a very difficult to apply the product rule here. At that type of situation we have to apply logarithms apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಸೈಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ a 1 taking log on both sides ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ log. So that is log y is equal to log of 1 plus x 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised to 4 1 plus x raised to 8. So now we know the properties of the logarithm. Property of logarithms ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ಏನಾದ್ರಿ log u into v ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log u plus log v. So using this ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log we can write here log y is equal to log of 1 plus x next plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x raised to 4 plus log of 1 plus x raised to 8. So we have applied. Now differentiate this. Let me name it as an equation number 2. Differentiate 2 with respect to x. X le differentiate applying derivative of log y is equal to derivative of log x log 1 plus x plus derivative of log 1 plus x square plus derivative of log 1 plus x raised to 4 plus derivative of log 1 plus x raised to 8. So now log the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by y. So y is a dependent variable ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy by dx plus ಈ composite ಅದಾವ್ರಿ log linear ಅದ. So that is we know that derivative of composite function derivative of log u the derivative ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 1 by u into du by dx. Okay, so let me use that 1 by 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x raised to 4. Same derivative of 1 plus x raised to 4 plus 1 by 1 plus x raised to 8 derivative of 1 plus x raised to 8. So next dy by dx equal to y into ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so one the derivative 0 derivative of constant is 0 derivative of x is 1 so that totally it will become a 1 by 1 plus x plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x so 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so 4x cube divided by 1 plus x raised to 4 plus 8x raised to 7 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. So this next. So dy by dx is nothing but f dash of x is equal to y under anything 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ so that is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8 x raised to 8 ಆಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1 plus x raised to x ಐತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ಈ 3 into 11 so that is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8 ಆಯ್ತು plus 2x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ 1 plus x square ಐತಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x 1 plus x into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8 plus ಇದು ತೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ plus 4x cube into ಏನಾದ್ರಿ 1 plus ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀವಿ 1 plus x into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರನೂ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತ್ರಿ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಬರೆಯಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ 4x cube into 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 8 plus 8x raised to 7 into so 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 1 plus x raised to 4 1 plus x raised to 4 so now here we make cancel ಆಯ್ತು ಏನು ಉಳಿತು so that is f dash of x is equal to 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised to 4 1 plus x raised to 8 plus 2x 1 plus x 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8 plus 4x cube into 1 plus x 1 plus x square into x 1 plus raised to 8 plus x raised to 8 plus 8x raised to 7 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus 1 plus x raised to 4. So this completes the problem. The derivation, that is the f dash of x, f dash of x extract. So next, so I think that we have completed that all the problems regarding this, whatever the problem left, and it is homework for you, and also I have given the homework for you. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದಿವ್ಸ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿದ್ದವರು ಬರ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪಟಾಪಟ ಮುಗಿಸ್ರಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. So then why? Because we can start the revision and or we can continue this syllabus and complete. So once again we come back to that actual syllabus what we have taught in the video classes. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ the problems on the derivative of logarithms and exponential. Tomorrow we are going to start, that is the derivative of functions of a parametric, derivative of parametric functions, derivative of parametric functions. So we'll start tomorrow.